SailorsMovingSailors.com. All we transport is sailboats, nothing else. Business for 15 years, going on 15 years. Over 600 sailboats transported. Most important thing about a sailboat is sharing the weight on the pads and the keel. You don't want to put too much weight on the keel for hull flex, and you don't want to have too much weight on the pads for distorting the hull. Mast is fully prepared, shrink wrapped, foam wrapped, tape wrapped for no problems. Everything's set right. We can easily measure how much poundage is on our pads for all our gauges to know exactly what's happening with loading the boat. Sailors moving sailors. All we do is sailboat transports.